Hey guys, Steve Petrotto here from Blade. In this video, we're going to cover electronic speed control replacement and motor assignment. This kind of maintenance is going to be important if you have a serious crash or incident that either damages or destroys the ESC. You are going to need a 1.5, 2mm, 2.5mm hex driver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and a new ESC for this job. We're going to start out by removing the propellers and anti-vibration camera mount. Each propeller has two 2mm screws, which we will remove. Each propeller has its place on the 350QX. However, we have made it easy to install them again since the rotations are marked both in the propeller and on the fuselage. The anti-vibration camera mount is removed by unscrewing the GoPro case and removing it, as well as removing the 4 screws that hold the mount to the fuselage. Now, we can remove the screws that hold the fuselage together. These are the 34 1.5mm screws on the bottom of the 350QX. For this repair, we don't need to remove the motor screws underneath each motor pod since the motors are connected to the bottom half of the fuselage. Once you have all the screws removed, the top half of the fuselage should come off without any issues. Now we can see which ESC we need to replace. We will go ahead and disconnect it from the main board and motor. The ESC is held in place by sticky foam tape so that it may be a little tough to pull off the ESC at first. Once you have removed the old ESC and installed the new ESC, it is required to reassign the motor positions of the 350QX. This tells the main board where each ESC and motor is on the quad. The process is actually very easy. First, turn on your 350QX and allow it to enter bind mode, indicated by the rapid blue blinking light. Then, turn on your transmitter with the throttle in the full position and with the bind button held down. Wait until you hear a series of beeps and then proceed to spin the propellers 1 through 4 like so. Each motor will confirm what placement it is in by a number of beeps. You have now completed an ESC replacement and motor assignment on your 350QX.